guys, it's me, Mirakai. It's my beehive. Flow, Flow. It's the beehive. This is how it looks. This is the bee entrance at the front. And the back where all the pollen is. Pretty cool, huh? And there's lots of bees that are working hard, that are passing honey and doing this stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4. The bees saying hi. And this is how the bees look. And the whole hive. This is where they're gonna make the honey. See, this is how the bees look. That guy's cute, right? And then they die in 6 weeks. The queen dies in 5 years. And this is the whole pile of the bees. Over there, it's me, Mirakai, bee video 2. And that's pretty much it. Bye.